Hey Blipsounds, it's Brian Seeley and we are back for another monthly sound design competition, and I am super excited for this month because we are going to have a lot of fun. Now, prepare yourselves. Become the Dragonborn and do your best Fusrato! Or something to that effect. But this month, we will be doing Elder Scroll Skyrim. Let's try that again. We will be doing Elder Scroll Skyrim. Yes! So we won't be doing the Fusrado, the Fusroda. We will be doing the Master Level Fireball, and you can see that video here. Now, as you can see, there's not a whole lot going on in this sound, so it leaves a whole lot of room for creativity, a whole lot of room for you guys to have as much fun as possible, and I really hope you do. I really hope you just go crazy with this. Reimagine it as insane as you could think. Have a lot of fun, and I'm really looking forward to seeing what you guys create. So for the competition, we will start April 1st, and it will run until Monday, April 22nd, where it will end at 11:59 p.m. Eastern Standard Time or 3:59 a.m. UTC time. As always, you need to be responsible for recording all of these sounds. Nothing can come from any pre-made libraries or bought libraries or free libraries or anything of that nature. Synths are obviously allowed, and we've had some great discussions about what constitutes a synth. So if you have any questions about that, feel free to ask away in the Blipsounds Discord community. And I highly recommend, if you're watching this on YouTube or you're watching this on social media and you are not a part of the Discord community, there should be a link somewhere around you to be able to join the community. It's open to the public. Whether you are a professional sound designer or a hobbyist or just someone who's curious about sound design, we highly recommend you join. And as always, we will announce our top 5 winners at the end of the month, and the grand place winner wins a free month of our game audio training series. And to learn more about that, you can go to blipsounds.com to learn more about our monthly subscription. That is the game audio training series. I hope you guys will join us. We've had a lot of entries in the last few months, and they have been fantastic, and you guys are improving so much. So I can't wait to see what you do with this month. I hope you guys have a lot of fun. I hope you guys have a great April. Peace out.